In this video we will read, modify and save an Excel file with Kofax RPA. We will use the employee Excel, insert a new column and populate it with the salary in another currency. Thereafter we will save the changes to our original Excel file. Let's go back to the robot we've been building and remove all steps after opening the Excel variable. To clean up the robot, let's also close and remove the employee type and variable. We'll replace it with a new type called salary conversion to hold currency and exchange rate attributes. By adding the new type as a variable to the robot and selecting use as input, it will be possible to pass currency and exchange rate as input parameters, but we also set default values. The existing salary column is set as a named range, and defining its position by the header row text makes the robot work even if the column order changes. We use the insert column steps to insert a new column in the Excel. In this case, this column does not need to be a named range since we know it will be located after the salary column. The header of the new column can be set by the set content step, and by using an expression the resulting text can be constructed from text, variables and functions. We modify the finder to refer to the top cell one column right of the salary column named range. Populating the values to the new column can be done in many ways, but for now we use the loop step and we name its range. By modifying the finder of the named range to use specified part, it can be defined to also include columns or rows next to it. In the loop, we extract the salary to a new temporary variable that we call amount. It's a good practice to use error handling if the value for any reason is missing or invalid. We right-click the cell of the new column in the loop's named range and select Set Content. An expression lets us calculate the target cell value. For the Excel variable to keep its updates during the loop iterations, remember to make it global. After the loop is completed, the process will continue to a branch we create. Here we add a write file step that will overwrite our old Excel with the contents of our modified Excel variable. We run the robot in debug mode, and by refreshing the robot it will read the Excel file with our newly added column. If we update our salary conversion variable and run the robot again, it will add another column to the Excel file.